You've done the hard work of bulk recording content, and maybe it's coming up to a holiday and you just won't be around for 2 weeks. Maybe, just like me at the start of the year, I went on paternity leave and I needed to put my channel on autopilot. So I used the YouTube schedule tool to publish the videos I'd already uploaded to my channel at set times, so therefore people didn't feel as lost or they didn't miss out on my content. Go to Content. Find a video that you would like to schedule. It can't be one that's already public. I advise one that's either a draft or private. I've got 3 videos here, for example. I'll pick one of these by clicking the little pencil. I can fill in the title, the descriptions, all the way down to tags, the playlist, that kind of thing. I would go through monetization, video elements. What we're looking for, importantly, in drafts is the schedule section down here. Now, I've got a suggestion here from vidIQ that suggests that maybe you should publish your videos between 6 PM and 8 PM. Now, if you want that suggestions for your own channel, there's a link to vidIQ's plugin down below. It's completely free and it's helped me explode my channel. So click schedule and it gives you a few options. You can choose the date that you'd like to publish it, and it could be well into the future, a time based on 24-hour clock, so you don't get confused between 7 in the morning and 1900 hours or 7 PM. At night. It advises that you're looking at the time zone. So default time zone is set to, in my case, GMT, but I can choose a time zone should I want to match a specific audience. So if I want to publish it at midnight in Auckland, for example, right, then I could do so, but it will auto adjust for me. This video will remain private until it is published at the set time, and I can choose to publish it either as a normal video or as a YouTube premiere. Now, a premiere is when your video is set as a mini live stream. So as it says here, when you set your video as a premiere, your viewers can watch it together at the same time. A public watch session gets created, shows a countdown to the start of the video, and when your video starts, you can interact with people in a live chat and comments. Once it's done, it's then converted into a normal VOD or video on demand, and people can watch it as standard. It can be a great way to push out a video and interact with people. I do it with my longer form content. If I'm publishing a video that's 8, 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes long, I might as well use it as a mini live stream. Now, once I've set a date, and once I've set a time, and I've decided whether it's a premiere or not, I can click schedule. It will now tell me that this video is scheduled to go public on the 23rd of January at midnight. You'll now see here that it tells me that it's scheduled, it even says scheduled with a little clock. You can edit it by using the drop-down box, or now that this video is no longer a draft, I can click on the pencil, and over on the right-hand side, there's now the visibility box that you're used to. You can also set scheduling from here as well. Not necessarily straight from draft. If you've uploaded a video, done all the SEO as well, then you'll see this here, and it's the same thing. Drop down for date, drop down for time, time zone, premiere, click done, and you just wait for it to be published. If you change your mind at any point, you can always click save or publish and keep it private, or just publish it manually by moving it to public and click done. Now you know how to schedule, how about you figure out what the best time is to upload for your audience? Have a look at this video here.